Hello everyone, and welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. On today's video I will be cutting a off shoulder with a puffy sleeve. So let's proceed. First of all, I'll be marking the length I want to be working with on my fabric, and that is 21 inches. So let's mark that out. After I've gotten that, I'm going to be coming in by my zipper allowance. I used 1.5 for my zipper. This is the front part. The zipper side is in the front part, so that is why I'm marking that out first. Having done that, I'm going to proceed in marking my bust point and my waistline. I use 9.5 for my bust point, then for my waistline I use 15.5. You can as well measure yourself and place the accurate measurements on your folded fabric like this. After that, I'm going to go ahead to mark my back measurement, which is 7.5. I know you might be wondering, like, it's a off shoulder we are cutting. Just stay calm. We are going to do it. Just apply this method in any of your off shoulder you want to cut, and you're going to see how easy it is to cut the off shoulder. Draw your armhole like this. Then let's proceed. I'm going to go ahead and place my bust measurement plus 2-inch allowance on my waistline, my waist measurement plus 2-inch allowance. Then on this side, I'm going to measure myself on that side, and I'm going to add my allowance as well. I really appreciate everyone who subscribed to my channel. Please, if you are yet to do so, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon. Since it is a half shoulder, we are going to be cutting some parts off in order to reveal the shoulder. So we are going to be doing that now. I'm going to come down by 6 inches. You may as well come down by 7 if you want, but 6 inches is okay for mine. Then measure your chest line, and I'll be using 5 inches plus half seam allowance. And I'm going to join it to my armhole like this. I'm going to roll it straight. In order to mark out our neckline, I'm going to be coming down by 7, and I'm going to be joining it like this. Just watch it closely and you're going to get it. At this side, I'm going to be coming down by half an inch like that, and I'm going to join the line together like so. Just watch it and you're going to get the way I marked my neckline out. So let's cut. I'm going to trim that side off. And that is the front part. You can as well cut out your lining like the shape and use it to turn in the rough edges. If you want me to drop this sewing tutorial of this, just drop your comments down below and I'm going to do so. Moving to the back side, I'm going to fold my fabric like this, and I'm going to place my front side and pipe in the zipper side, because there's no zip at the back. So I'm going to fold in that zipper side and place it directly. For my back neckline, it's just straight, and I'm going to just shape my armhole out like so, and the sides also. So I'm going to cut it out. So this is my back after I've cut it out, and this is what it looks like. Since it's the back, you don't need to cuff it or do anything, just make it straight. And we are done for the body, so let's proceed to the sleeve. For the sleeve, for the width, I used 11 inches. Then for my depth, I'll be using 21 inches. That means the length of my sleeve. After that, because I'm going to be putting an elastic inside that other side, so I'm going to be extending it. I'm going to be using 18 inches. Let's draw that armhole side also. That is where I'm going to join to the body. It's not a tight sleeve as well, so I'm going to be using 20 inches for the whole body of my sleeve, like this. Because we are going to be putting elastic, for it to gather together, we need to expand it. So that is it for my sleeve, and I'm going to be cutting another one out because it is 2. I'm just trying to show we are going to be putting an elastic inside, like at that part. So I've already cut out the second one, and that is it for the sleeve. Moving forward, I'll mark out my dart on my front part. Honestly, I didn't know how I cut my tape rope. I'm just going to be using it like that just for this video to end. So going forward, I'll be marking out my dart. That is 4.5. I'm going to roll like that, roll a straight line. At the waistline, I'm going to be going in and going out by ½ inch. And I'm going to join the line together like so. You're going to do this on the fourth side of your top. So after you have drawn that line, then you're going to do it like this, and we are done for the dart. Just go ahead and draw it on the fourth side of your top, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.